If your child struggles with fractions, my top tip is to go right back to basics so they can build a solid base of knowledge before they start doing the trickier things.
So what are the basics? I always recommend starting with halves, quarters and thirds and exploring those, then moving on to colour fractions of shapes and then dividing shapes into fractions, and always starting with halves, quarters and thirds.
A great practical activity when exploring fractions is pizza fractions. This is one of my favourite ways to teach fractions. It's practical, it's tasty, it's yummy, it's fun, and you get a nice tasty snack at the end. Or talking about your fractions, the bottom number is called the denominator and the top number is called the numerator. Bottom number, the denominator, tells you how many pieces that you need to split a shape, a number, an amount, a pizza into. So with our half, our bottom number is 2, which means we are going to split our pizza into 2 equal pieces. Now we have our pizza into 2 equal parts, our halves, so half for you, half for me. Next we can cut our pizza into quarters. So with our quarters, I recommend cutting in half first, which is what we've already got. And then I like to spin it around. So our quarters, we need 4 pieces. And now we have our pizza into quarters. Next, we can cut our pizza into 8. So with our 8s, we need 8 equal pieces. So we'll do our half, our quarters, and then we can cut these pieces to give us 8s. And now our pizza is divided into 8s. And don't forget to enjoy your tasty treat at the end.